Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adjusting the header height in WordPress, a process that should take about 5 minutes to complete. We will begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the site loads, you will notice a login option located at the top right corner of the screen. When you click the login area, a new menu will appear prompting you with several sign-in options. In this tutorial, we will be using the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. By clicking the option to continue with Google, you will be directed to a screen where you can choose the Google account you wish to use for logging in. Simply select the account you prefer from the list presented. This streamlined process allows you to access your site quickly without the need to remember additional login credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, the next part of the process involves navigating the WordPress dashboard. Locate the section named Quick Links within the dashboard. In this section, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site allows you to enter the website editing interface where you can manage various aspects of your site's appearance and functionality. After entering the site editing area, you will see a list of your websites if you manage more than one. Simply click on the website you wish to edit. This action opens the site editor, granting you full access to change the look and functionality of your header among other elements. As you settle into the site editor, look for the redirection or prompt to further modify the design. You will need to click on an edit button that will take you directly into the customization interface. This edit option is prominently positioned so that you can quickly find it and start working on your site's design without delay. Within the editing interface, take a moment to navigate to the Style section, which you will find on the right side panel of the screen. This section is designed to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the different visual elements you can alter on your website. Once you are in the Styles panel, your next task is to locate the Dimensions section. The Dimensions section contains settings that control the spacing and padding of your site's elements, including the header. In the Dimensions section, you will see options to adjust padding size. This padding directly influences the overall height of your header. To modify the header height, simply change the padding size, increasing it if you want a larger header or decreasing it for a smaller header. As you make adjustments, you may visually note how the header expands or contracts to better suit your design preferences. Following these detailed steps will allow you to tailor the header height of your WordPress site exactly as you desire. This process not only demonstrates how responsive the platform is, but also gives you a quick and efficient way to make design changes that enhance your visitors' experience. Enjoy the newfound flexibility and creative control as you optimize your website's header to match your branding and layout needs.